All right, here's three stocks, three requests. The first one's going to be we'll take a look at NVO first. We're looking at a chart of NVO here. They make the weight loss drug Ozempic, one of the hottest weight loss drugs. These guys make a ton of money. You can see their stock was all the way up here at about 150 bucks, 145, and it's dropped all the way down here to 38. They announced that partnership with Hims the other day, and the stock's just really beaten up. If we zoom in here to a monthly, again, you can see that we've gone down since June of 2024. You can see we got our sell signals up here on the monthly right there on April 24th. That was literally the top right there at 140. And now it's down here at 38. So after a pullback like this, if you're bullish on the name, if you believe in the name, you got to be a buyer down here. If you want to wait for confirmation, wait for a green dot. Again, this thing's just kind of stuck in a channel. It needs to break out here. If it can get back over 44, I think it looks good. I actually own this stock. I think it's very undervalued. They make around $12 billion a quarter. You see that revenue reported $12.5 billion last quarter. So they make a ton of money, and their stock is very beaten up. They just had a huge partnership announcement with Hims. So I really like this one. Just looking for the weekly green dot here. We got one back here in November. That was a nice little trade from 45 up to 65. That was peanuts into what I think this thing can do in the long term. Again, very beaten up stock. All three of these are very beaten up, actually. The next one we'll look at is PayPal. PayPal, I've been talking about this for a few months now. This thing has just been absolutely destroyed here. We're literally sitting at the lowest price in 10 years. And they actually just had some news cross today. I believe that was right here, that they are enabling stablecoin access for 70 countries. So PayPal, I think, is going to be a big crypto name. So that's good news. And again, this thing's sitting at its 10-year low right now. I don't think these guys are going anywhere. They just got a new CEO, so they're under new leadership here. Again, look at this drop from 320 all the way down here to 46. I mean, that is a massive capitulate. I think all three of these are good long-term plays. I'm not too sure about Nike, just because I don't really like their business model. Selling, cheap T-shirts from China. Costs and stuff are just going up, and in this economy, it's hard to think that people can afford to buy a $50 T-shirt, but I guess people do. But PayPal and NVO are probably my two favorite, and the last one we'll look at is Nike. So Nike's right here, trying to put in a double bottom down here around 50. I would say this looks strong as long as it holds on to 50 for a double bottom. A double bottom is where you bounce. Okay, and then you come back and you retest. If we can bounce here, I look for the green dot there on Nike. But again, all three of these, I mean, they're all just down. Like, they've gone down for 2 years. So big companies, great companies, right? That great earnings, make a lot of money. All three of these are very beat up. So for a long-term investor, I think all three of these look very, very good.